Hello guys, my name is Ravi Soni and this is my officially first video basically to talk something about it about religion, about politics and about moral values which I think about which is important to convey to the world. So I'm here to share something with you. So what is my personal view, what I think about something which is very complicated for many people. So the first thing which comes into my mind is religion. So many times we see religion is very complicated thing. So people see it is very bad thing, and they normally go away from the religion. They don't want to indulge into it. They don't want to follow any particular religion, or they don't want to follow any values. But that is not good. That is harmful in many ways. If you don't have any restrictions, if you don't have any laws, if you don't have any your personal values to follow, then there is a risk of getting lost somewhere, where there is no one to stop you. There is no moral thought to stop you, that you are supposed to stop here. You're not supposed to do something bad, because this is not as per your religion. So with religion there are certain things which you do, which bad things which you do, which sometimes you think religion tells you to do bad things, but religion also tells you to stop doing bad things in so many ways. So I'll give an example. Suppose if you are going to steal something, and in your religion it is said stealing is the biggest sin, what I can imagine, then you're stopping yourself from committing that sin. It's a good thing. And sometimes if you're going to hurt any elders, or you're going to, because in my religion when I speak against any elders, it is bad thing. So it is, and for some people it is more cultural value than religion. So when you speak to someone badly, those who are elder to you, then you feel bad. In my religion, in my values, it is bad. So it is better to follow the values, your values and your religion. So you cannot just throw away entire thing. There are some things which is bad, which you need to improve. Then you contribute yourself in improving those things. You don't scrap it entirely. That is not good, because these are the things which unites human beings, which gives moral value to human beings, because human beings by nature is a violent species. So it has tendency to do bad stuff, because they are naturally inclined to doing bad thing, which is easy for them. So to stop human being from doing bad things and hurting environment, hurting other species like animals, hurting other humans, because normally animals they normally don't hurt each other, in the same species, but human have tendency to hurt each other. They hurt animals, they hurt environment, they hurt everyone. So how do you stop that? So stopping human beings from hurting is by putting moral values, by putting values deeper into human mind, that you can't hurt animal, you can't hurt environment. They are divine, and they are hurting them will eventually harm you, or it's a sinful activity. So that's how you can have a very good environment, very good good cycle, or very good law of nature, by which you can have a sustainable environment where you all survive together. You survive with environment, trees, plants, greenery. You survive with animals, you survive with other humans peacefully. So this is what religion does. If there is no religion, think about it in one scenario. If there is no religion, there is no one to tell you what to do, what not to do, and you are just doing what you think is right. Because as you know, humans they are all comparative. Things they do. They sometimes think it is right, which is not right for someone else. So if they think, if everyone does what they think is right, then it will create chaos. It will not create a society. Society is created based on religion. Society is created based on values, moral values and culture. So in Indian scenario we call it culture. It's not more like a religion. So if you see, religion is, we don't have one god, we have many god, but culture is same. So this culture, religion is very important. That's why you should never scrap religion. Religion is must for evolving, for surviving, and for sustaining this environment, this entire ecosystem. Otherwise it will go for a toss. If there is no religion, and there is no moral values, there is no restriction, then entire human race will go extinct for sure. So religion plays very important part only if you take it positively. That's it for now. I'm signing off. Bye.